Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures which I've got currently applied. So let's start with entering the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. As you can see at the top, we've got the system navigation, so let's tap on it, and here we've got both options. So obviously probably you've got the buttons, and before we'll set the gestures, I just wanted to show you that here you can customize the buttons. So if you will decide that you want to you want to keep this option turned on, you can customize it. So for example, change the button layout by reordering the back button and the recents. Alright, so let's set the gestures. Let's simply tap on this option, and your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial. I don't want to do it because I will show you how to use the gestures. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some actions. Of course, you can hide it just by tapping on the switcher at the top. You can customize the gestures right here. You can change the sensitivity for the back gesture, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to really decide whether you need the sensitivity to be lower or higher. So just go through. Let's move into the tutorial where I show you how to use the gestures. So of course here we've got the animation, but I feel like explanation will also work and it will be better. So if you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger and you will go back. And it also works from the right side, so you can choose whichever is more comfortable for you. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. However, be aware that this gesture should be short and quick, just like that. And here we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents, you have to repeat the gesture. However, let's elongate it. So do not do something like that, but elongate and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.